Yeah, yeah.
Good day everyone. What is media literacy? It's the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and act using all forms of communication. It empowers individuals to be critical thinkers, effective communication, and active citizens, particularly in the digital age. Essentially, it's about understand how media messages are constructed and how they influence us, enabling informed decision making and in participation in society.
Hello guys, what's up? Ano nga palang pag-uusapan natin? Ang pag-uusapan natin is what information of literacy. The information of literacy is the ability to recognize the intakes in nature of an information. Need to locate, evaluate, and effectively use the need information. For example, like weather. The broadcast most is the give true information to public that there is a bad weather coming. Yun lang.
We're going to talk about technology literacy. So, what is technology literacy? Technology literacy is the ability to effectively and responsibly use technology, tools, and resources. So, it encompasses a wide range of skill, extending beyond a simple knowing how to operate a device. So, for example, using a cell phone, tablet, laptop, or even a computer. So, it's about then understanding how technology works and its impact on society, and how to use it ethically and safely.